So welcome to the Amazon. Finally made it after a much long trek. It's quite big. So I'm going to give you a tour of the facilities for this wonderful boat. A lot of hammocks. The big cramps. Interesting music. And I think the second floor is pretty more packed. And the bathrooms are no better. So finally made it. No bike. My other camera broke, so I'm using I met this French guy, so he's letting me use his camera. This is very nice of him. And yeah, so far it's been quite an adventure. So I'm stuck on here for 5 days, floating down the Amazon River, which has been a dream of mine. I didn't think I'd make it this far, but I have, so it's a good trip. Heck, I didn't think I'd make it out of the Patagonia, so it's all good from here on out. So, we'll see you next time.